What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores from Dapper Street, and welcome to my YouTube channel and to the first episode of a new series we're starting called Quick Tip Tuesdays. I know a lot of you guys are watching the getting dressed videos, and they contain a lot of information, a lot of little tips and tricks as I go through the outfit, but they kind of get lost a little bit, so I wanna, every Tuesday, take a moment, pick one of those things, and just go through them in depth to teach you guys something, hopefully. The first tip I have for you guys today is how to style a blazer or a sports jacket with jeans. If you don't know what the difference is between those two and a suit jacket, check out Antonio's video over at Real Men Real Style. I'm going to put the link down below for you guys to see. It's really good to know the difference. A lot of people in the industry don't even know it, myself included, a few hours ago. So take a look at that first. And if you're doing this as an alternative to a suit, I need to tell you that this is going to make it a whole lot more casual, even though we have two different ways that I'm going to talk about today of how to rock that. The first one is going to be a lot more dressy. If you really just want to take it one notch down and make a suit more casual, the fit is still very important. I wouldn't go definitely not with baggy jeans, and even skinny jeans are not necessarily the right fit. I would go for a nice slim fit if you're pairing it with a blazer or a sports jacket. You can still wear a button down underneath. You can also do a polo shirt or a slim fitted t-shirt, even a turtleneck. And I think about colors similarly as you would with suit separates, where they're complementary and probably a little bit more muted. I definitely wouldn't go with a crazy wash for the jeans for this look, and dark blue, black, white, khaki, or just an indigo are all great solid color options for this look. I wouldn't do ripped jeans, and in terms of accessorizing, I think a pocket square is an easy add-on, and a tie can really be fun to play with. You probably want to keep the shirt tucked in just so it looks a little bit more proper, finish that off with a belt. And in terms of footwear, I could see dress shoes and dress boots definitely work really well, especially suede would be a great fabric for that. Lastly, if you want to rock this outfit to the office, don't go with a briefcase. I think it's gonna just mess up the aesthetic. It looks too clean. Go like with a fun satchel or a casual leather bag. On the other hand, you can go ultra casual with it and basically just take a blazer, the silhouette of that blazer, and integrate it into a street style look, which in turn is becoming more elegant then. From a styling standpoint, it definitely helps to like flip up the collar and push up the sleeves. You can definitely still rock a button down. I would probably keep it untucked. Make sure you wear a shirt that's properly untucked, like not a super long one. But you can also have fun with a casual tee that's kind of elongated, or even a Henley. Slim jeans definitely still work, although I myself in the past have worn a lot of skinny jeans with this kind of look. I've even done ripped jeans before. And you can also go a little bit more crazy in terms of the wash. I think as long as it stays on the same color theme, you're good to go. Speaking of color theme, I think the overall theme is a lot more flexible. If it's a nighttime look, I'm gonna go for navies and blacks, like darker colors. If it's brunch on the weekend with my bros, like bro brunch, then it's gonna be more lighter colors. Just make sure they're well coordinated. And I'll finish off the look usually with like a pair of crisp white sneakers or even black Chelsea boots. And that's already it. I hope I gave you guys a good idea of what you can do with a blazer or a sports jacket together with jeans. Once again, this is a new format, this Quick Tip Tuesday. For it to be as helpful and beneficial to you guys as it possibly can be, I would love to get you guys feedback. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you'd like to see styled in the future. I also want to use this as an opportunity to really go into what you guys have asked me about in the past and take maybe 3 questions and answer them in one of these videos. So that's it for today. I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you soon with the next video. Stay dapper, guys. Bye.